के बनी 2y is equal to 4x minus 5x square. 2 রিতম এরকম অপশন তো নেই, আমাদের কাছে কি আছে? অপশনটা আছে if a particle is projecting with some velocity, it is something like this: x component ux is 1 and uy that is given 2, এটাই তো দিয়েছে। initial value is given that I plus 2j, that means x component is I means 1i and y component is 2 unit. So these are the two velocity values at the initial point is given, and g is given 10, so we have to find the equation path. So we can write down y is equal to we can write down y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. Y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. Is it clear? So that means here the initially this, if this is theta, then tan theta can be written as y by x, that is 2, and u is magnitudically 1 plus 4, that is root under 5. Okay, if tan theta 2, then corresponding cos theta should be, this is p by b, so it is b by root 5. So if we substitute the value y is equal to x into 2, the value of tan theta minus 10 into x square divided by 2 into u square, u is root 5, so square of u is 5, and cos square theta is 1 by 5. So ultimately the equation will be y is equal to 2x minus 5x square. Got my point? So answer should be question number 5. Suppose a particle is thrown with u and theta. Initial speed value is u and direction of projection is theta with horizontal. This is A, for example. Particle moves in a path like this. This is the position B. Time taken from A to B is 2 seconds, and the velocity of the particle at that point makes 30 degree with horizontal. At B, it is said that particle is 30 degree with horizontal at B, and after one more second, the direction of motion, after one more second, the direction of motion becomes horizontal. Direction of motion becomes horizontal. Then find the value of u and theta. Then find the value of u and theta. It is said that particle is initially thrown with some speed u at some angle theta. Okay, initially it takes 2 seconds to travel from A to B, and at B it makes 30 degree with horizontal, and after passing through B it takes further 1 more second to reach a point where the direction of motion becomes horizontal. দিনের ক্যালকুলেশনে কার ভুল হয়ে গেছে? কার ভুল হয়েছে, আমার না তোমার? ও আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। ওকে ওকে, এই অঙ্কটা সলভ করো। বলছে পার্টিকেলটাকে ইনিশিয়ালি প্রজেক্ট করেছি, it has been projected with some unknown speed of magnitude and unknown direction, but after 2 seconds it reaches to a point where its direction of motion makes 30 degree with horizontal, and after 1 more second, that is after crossing B, after 1 more second from B onwards, it reaches to a point where direction of motion becomes horizontal. Then what will be the value of u and theta? দেখি বার করো। তো দেখো এখান থেকে আমরা কয়েকটা জিনিস কনক্লুড করতে পারি। এক হচ্ছে এতে যে ভেলোসিটিটা আছে, ঠিক আছে, এতে যে ভেলোসিটিটা দিয়েছে তার হরিজন্টাল ম্যাগনিটিউডটা কত হবে? The horizontal velocity magnitude must be u cos theta and vertical velocity must be u sin theta. After 2 seconds it reaches to some point where the velocity value is not known, but that v can be resolved in two components as such as v cos 30 degree and v sin 30 degree, and saying after 1 more second its direction of motion becomes horizontal. That means after 1 more second it must be at C. It must be at C because C will be the point which is the topmost point where its velocity direction must be horizontal. So that means time from A to C, which is 2 plus 1, that is 3 seconds, that must be written as u sin theta by g, because it is half of the time of flight. So from this part we can write down u sin theta, that is equal to 30, and this is one equation we can write down, and second is equating horizontal velocities, equating horizontal velocities we can write down u cos theta, that must be equal to v cos 30. Cos 30 means it is root 3 by 2 times v. Okay, now u 20 root 3 10, হ্যাঁ এটাই হবে। তো u cos theta is root 3 by 2 and change in velocity, and from A to B along vertical, আমরা যদি ভার্টিক্যালে ক্যালকুলেশনটা করি তাহলে v sin 30 means v by 2, that is equal to u sin theta is 30 minus g into 2, তাহলে এটা 30 minus 20, that is equal to 10. So v becomes 20 meter per second. ঠিক আছে, v যদি 20 হয়ে গেল তাহলে from this relation u cos theta, which was equal to v cos 30, so v is 20 into cos 30 root 3 by 2, so this is 10 root 3. So u sin theta যেটা পেয়েছিলাম 30 আর u cos theta পেলাম 10√3। এবার দুটোকে ডিভাইড করলে ইউ সাইন থিটা বা ইউ কস থিটা যদি করে দাও তাহলে এটা হয়ে যাবে ট্যান থিটা অ্যান্ড দ্যাট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 30/10√3, তার মানে দিস ইজ √3। তো থিটা হয়ে গেল 60 ডিগ্রি, কারেক্ট, থিটা হয়ে গেল 60 ডিগ্রি π/3, আর থিটার ভ্যালুটা π/3 এখানে বসিয়ে দিলে 60 বসিয়ে দিলে ইউ ইন্টু √3/2 ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 30। সো ইউ হয়ে গেল কত হয়ে গেল, এটা 10√3 20√3, ঠিক আছে। তো ইউ হয়ে গেল 20√3 আর অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হয়ে গেল 60 ডিগ্রি। সো দ্য অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ প্রজেকশন মাস্ট বি 60 ডিগ্রি অ্যান্ড speed of projection must be 20√3।